Hi all, welcome to the introduction of AWOW Aromatherapy Association. AWOW Aromatherapy Association is a Singapore-registered company and proudly the first and only aromatherapy association in Singapore offering members exclusive benefits, including free aromatherapy education and more. AWOW Aromatherapy Association is devoted to providing professional education on the appropriate, safe, and effective application of essential oils. The core objectives of AWOW Aromatherapy Association are: equip beginners with the knowledge of aromatherapy and essential oil therapy through our courses and workshops. Deepen essential oil users' understanding and applications of essential oil through our learning and healing programs. Provide a platform for essential oil distributors to share testimonials and experiences, while enhancing their skills. Helping wellness and healthcare professionals to integrate aromatherapy into their practice to stand out and increase competitiveness. Supporting amateur and professional aromatherapy practitioners to enhance knowledge and help more people achieve mind-body wellness. Empower aromatherapy trainers with professional recognition, expand the reach of aromatherapy education, and bring its benefits to more people. The mission of AWOW Aromatherapy Association is to make aromatherapy education more accessible and to advocate for the appropriate, safe, and effective use of essential oils through education and public awareness. The vision of AWOW Aromatherapy Association is to build a global community of 1 million essential oil enthusiasts and aromatherapy professionals, empowering them through education, awareness, and advocacy to promote the appropriate, safe, and effective use of essential oils. We warmly invite you to join us as members. Through learning, healing, and sharing, we will build a healthy, happy, and supportive aromatherapy community, and together, pass on the legacy of the AWOW Aromatherapy Association. Thank you for watching. Look forward to have you in our AWOW Aromatherapy Association.